a buzzer and an LED indication to show that the tank is full and the motor can be switched off. Let us see the demo of it. Now this is a probe. These are the two probes which should be on the top of the tank. When water touches simultaneously these two probes, the light starts glowing and the buzzer will beep. Since the tank is now filled with water, to prevent overflow, this alarm is sounding. The third part is rainwater harvesting. We have placed a tub on the top of the house so that the water from the roof is collected, and through this pipe it will travel to an underground tank. Water is stored during rainy season in this tank, and later it can be used for watering plants and other household purposes. This way we can conserve water. The third part is solar lighting. This is a solar panel. This is a real solar panel, and we want to depict that in actual case there will be several panels placed like this to power the entire house. Now when sunlight falls on this, there are two lights of the home which will actually glow. This is light 1 and this is light 2. These two lights will glow when sunlight falls on the solar panel. Now the last part is automatic garage door opener. This is a garage where vehicles are parked, or it can also be used as a storeroom. Now this is connected to a sensor. This sensor will detect the presence of humans and it will open the door automatically. This is the circuit of the automatic gate opener. This is a relay which will operate this motor, and this motor will pull a string which will open the door. Now let us see the demo. Now if you observe, there is an infrared light coming out of the sensor. When we place hand close to this, the motor starts rotating and the door opens. Once the door is opened, you come out of the sensor, then the motor will stop. In this project, we have demonstrated mainly 4 modules which is part of a future home. One is the rain sensor to know the inmates about the status of the weather. The second is tank overflow. The third one is rainwater harvesting. The fourth one is solar lighting. The fifth one is automatic garage door opener.